Alright, well, go ahead and turn around for me, okay?
Yeah.
You're under arrest for driving under the influence.
This is where I live.
Okay, so it is good though?
This is where I live.
So I'm gonna take that as yes then, okay?
Yep.
A Whitfield County deputy spotted a white Honda Accord swerving across lanes. Despite the deputy activating his emergency lights, the driver continued driving, seemingly unaware of the traffic stop.
Still found you.
10-4, what's your secondary on Meadowdale?
Awesome. We're just past.
10-4.
Driving through a yard. Going to the address now. I think it's
10-4, you 1080?
not right now. They're just pulling to the house right now.
10.
Get in the car. Get in the car. Sit in the car. Okay, what's the address here? Why didn't you stop way on back there for me? You didn't see me?
I swear I didn't.
With the lights and sirens on?
I promise I did not see you.
Okay, you got a license on you?
Yeah.
This is gonna be a...
Sorry, I did not see you.
Alrighty. Where are you coming from?
I came from a funeral.
From a funeral?
Yes, at she bartended there. She died the other day, and they had to get together there.
Okay, so like a memorial thing?
Yes.
I got you. I got you.
This is where I live. This is my
Okay. Alrighty. Have you had anything to drink today?
No.
No? Okay. I'm just wondering why you didn't stop. I mean, that's pretty bright lights.
I was on the phone, on the car phone. And
I got you.
I was having an argument with my boyfriend. I'm not gonna lie to you.
I got you.
The address does come back to 203 Meadowdale Drive.
I got you. Alrighty. I pulled you over for failing to maintain your lane.
Okay.
You're failing to maintain your lane on Clinton Highway. When you're on the Westbrook, you went all the way over into your lane.
I was arguing.
On the other side,
I'm not gonna lie
okay.
to you.
Okay.
I was arguing with my boyfriend. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Alrighty. Alrighty, hang tight, okay? You mind stepping out here and let me check your eyes? Okay. You sitting right here for me, okay? You have any kind of medical problems I need to know about? Any kind of head injuries, anything like that?
I've been
Okay.
crying, but no.
Okay.
Other than nothing.
Okay, I got you. Alrighty. Do you wear, I see you're not wearing glasses. Do you wear any kind of contacts?
No.
No? Okay. Alright, if I can, have you stand with your feet together, heel to heel, toe to touch, and have your hands down by your side, okay? Alright, I just want you to follow the tip of my pen with your eyes only, okay? Don't move your head. You understand? Okay.
What am I following?
This right here, the tip of my pen. Follow with your eyes on me, okay? Don't move your head, okay? Simple. Follow with your eyes on it, okay?
Okay.
Follow with your eyes, okay?
I'm doing it.
All right, same thing's going up and down, okay? Alrighty. Would you mind doing another filter body test for me?
For what?
Another filter body test for me?
For what?
No, what?
For what?
Because I think you're under the influence of either alcohol or drugs.
No. I'm not under the influence of alcohol or drugs.
Okay.
I'm home. I went to Memorial. I was all the time arguing with my boyfriend. I'm good.
Okay. You mind doing a walk and turn test for me?
I do. I'm good.
You don't want to?
I don't.
Okay. Alrighty. Hang tight in your car for me, okay? Not right now. No, hang tight right now for me, okay?
Ghetto friend.
Hey, sir. So I lit her up. Continued all the way on down here. Turned my sirens. I think about more. She still continued on down. She said she didn't pull over because she didn't know I was behind her. Whenever we were pulling in, she said she lives here. Her address is back to here. While we're pulling in. Hang on 1 second, okay?
I've been here before. She looks familiar.
When we pulled in here, she passed her driveway and she had to turn in through her yard to even get to her driveway. Based on what I seen off her driving, off her lack of even noticing I'm being behind her, blind sirens on, and missing her own driveway, and from what I seen with her eyes, I feel confident for arresting her with DUI. She said that she's coming from a memorial from a bartender that just died. From what I'm seeing, looking at your eyes, you have what we call nystagmus, and what you get from being under the influence of alcohol, unless you have some kind of medical condition that causes it. Would you mind blowing into an alcohol sensor to eliminate that for me?
So what?
To eliminate, you're saying that you haven't been drinking, but based off of your driving and what I've seen off of your eyes, I think you have been. So would you blow an alcohol sensor to eliminate that theory for me?
No.
You don't want to?
No.
Okay. I got you. All right, go ahead and turn around for me, okay?
Why?
You're under arrest for driving under the influence.
I'll blow it for you then.
Do what?
I'll blow it for you then.
You just said that you wouldn't.
I will, right now.
All right, go ahead and turn around for me, though, okay? We're going to put you in handcuffs right now. If you still want to blow, you can blow.
Please.
But right now, you're going to be put in handcuffs, okay?
Please do not do this.
Yep, this is the way it's going, okay? Go ahead and turn around for me, okay?
Please don't do
No,
this.
go ahead and turn around for me, okay?
Listen, he's going to give you this test. You said you wanted to take this test. So just follow his instructions.
All right, whenever you're ready, I want you to take a deep breath.
Okay.
And just blow like you're blowing up a balloon. It's going to look like this, okay?
Okay.
I want you to do it as long as you can, okay?
Okay.
All right, whenever you're ready. I'm going to read something to you, okay? Thank you.
Yes, sir.
What is it?
This is going to be the Georgia Implied Consent Notice.
The what?
The Georgia Implied Consent Notice.
What's that?
Okay. I'm going to read it to you, okay?
Hold on.
The state of Georgia has conditioned your privilege to drive upon the highways of this state upon your submission to the state-administered chemical test of your blood, breath, urine, or other bodily substance for the purpose of determining if you are under the influence of alcohol or drugs. If you refuse this testing, your Georgia driver's license or privilege to drive on the highways of the state will be suspended for a minimum period of 1 year. Your refusal to submit blood or urine testing may be offered into evidence against you at trial. If you submit to testing, the results indicate an alcohol concentration of 0.08 grams or more, your Georgia driver's license or privilege to drive on the highways of this state may be suspended for a minimum period of 1 year. After first submitting to the requested state test, you are entitled to additional chemical test of your blood, breath, urine, or other bodily substances at your own expense from a qualified personnel of your own choosing. Will you submit to the state-administered chemical test of your blood and breath for me?
What?
This right here, so this one right here is not admissible in court at all. Being straight up honest with you. This right here is
that one?
This right here is just for my knowledge, solely to say if I'm out with somebody that I think DUI, I can have them blow into this, and if it's zeros and they're still giving me all the signs of DUI, that means it's potentially drugs. Okay. But if it gets no,
that's not what
I'm not
it's
saying. If it's all zeros and I think you're under the influence, it's going to tell me that's either drugs or alcohol.
Okay.
Okay. This right here is telling me that you're under the influence of alcohol.
Okay.
Okay. So this right here is not admissible in court. The only one that's admissible in court, I'm just being straight up honest with you, is the one at the jail. Right now, you're under arrest. Right now.
Why am I under arrest?
Because I think that you're under the influence of alcohol.
I had a drink 3 hours ago, sir.
I got you.
I
So basically,
promise.
all I'm asking is if you'll give us blood and breath.
I just gave you breath.
Okay. Well, would you consent to it under the Georgia Implied consent?
No.
No? Okay. Alrighty. Go ahead and have a seat in here for me, okay?
Why are we doing this?
Ma'am, listen, he's explained it to you several times, okay?
Did I blow something that's...
There's another machine in the jail.
Did I blow something that's not good?
That registered.
So all this is telling me is that you're under the influence of alcohol. That's all that's telling me.
I had a drink 3 hours ago.
The number that matters is on the machine at the jail.
Yeah.
Now you have the right to refuse that.
So I'm at home, and the number is fine for me to be at home.
Ma'am,
It isn't about that number.
you were on the road. He followed you on the road, okay? So listen, we're being kind. He's got enough evidence to do what he's doing, okay? So I understand that.
Why can I not go in my house?
Because he's initiating a traffic stop.
I don't understand why I can't go in my house.
Ma'am,
Go ahead and have a seat back here for us,
in the car
okay?
for us.
You have anything in your pockets at all?
My phone.
Your phone? Where's it? Right here. Anything else?
So I'm gonna have a,
Does your phone clip into your pocket somehow?
so I'm gonna have a what?
Right now you're going to be charged with DUI, failure to maintain.
But I didn't blow anything.
You have anything at all in your pocket?
I don't.
You don't? Okay.
So when can I get out?
Do what?
When can I get out?
We'll discuss that up there at the jail, okay? I'm gonna do a quick search incident arrest on the car real quick. Your keys, are they in your car?
I don't know.
Do what?
I don't know.
Okay. Your car is good to be left here?
Yeah. This is where I live.
Okay, so it is good though?
This is where I live.
So I'm gonna take that as yes then, okay?
Yep.
What you need for me?
The woman was taken to the Whitfield County Jail, where she was charged with DUI, failure to maintain lane, distracted driving, and failure to yield to an emergency vehicle. What do you think? Why do some people believe that once they're home they can't be arrested? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another video. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay safe out there.